So with regards to the Japanese yen on a daily basis, we actually shifted already from a potential downside move. Price tried to pull back but broke out of these levels. So right now, if you're gonna look at yen, we're still awaiting any signs of strength for the yen, and we'd like to see a breakout out of this level. So if ever yen breaks out or sees, or we might see traction for yen, we might see further downside with the yen pairs. So specifically pound, euro, Aussie yen, New Zealand yen, CAD, and Swiss. So further downside could be anticipated. I mean for the yen pairs. So of course, price is trading in favor of the Japanese yen.